What's going on, ladies and gents? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Sykes, KetoBrick.com.
And we're coming at you
KetoBrick.com
with another Keto Brick recipe. It's been a while. We've done a bunch of meat recipes for US Wellness Meats. But now we're going to do a Keto Brick recipe because we love our Keto Bricks. I'm super excited about this one because this was literally one of my favorite carb foods. And I haven't had it since. So let's see if we can make a replica, but an even better version because it'll be keto.
Boom.
You ready?
Yes. So let's talk about what we got first.
What are we calling this thing first? Keto Brick Cinnamon Toast.
Yeah.
Crunch? Cinnamon Toast? Cinnamon Toast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cinnamon toast.
Cinnamon Toast.
All right. We have 28 grams of Keto Brick, 2 ounces of cream cheese, 2 eggs, large eggs, 1 tablespoon of almond flour, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder.
Boom. And normally I tell you what the ingredients are and she tells you what the macros are, but what are the macros? You don't know what the macros are?
I didn't do the macros.
You didn't do the macros? They might be on here.
I thought they were already done for us, so I didn't do them.
Oh shoot. Hold that thought. I'll be right back with the macros. Alright, we are back with the macros. For this entire batch, without toppings, we have
595 calories, 52 grams of fat, 24 grams of protein, and 5 grams of total carbs.
Now, I can get behind numbers like that. So, what we do first?
We're going to put away that.
Put away them.
And we are going to get your bowl. Alright, you're going to put your Keto Brick in a bowl, microwave safe bowl, and then you're going to add your cream cheese to the same thing. And we're going to microwave it for 15 seconds at a time. Generally, we say 30 seconds at a time, but since we have cream cheese and very small amount of Keto Brick, we're going to do 15 seconds at a time and stir.
Alright, so here we have our microwaved brick and cream cheese. We did 4 cycles of 15 seconds, stirring in between each cycle.
Our Keto Brick was cold though, so.
Yeah, probably won't take you that long. Now what, you want me to break these
Nope.
in there?
You don't want to do the eggs first because this is super hot. It might actually cook the egg a little bit, so we want to make sure to put the egg in last. So you can pour the almond flour in.
Okay.
And then once you mix that in, you can add the cinnamon and the baking powder.
Okay.
Make sure this is all smooth first.
Now crack it.
Sure. And then we're just gonna mix that until it's smooth.
We have a nice little bread loaf pan here. This is probably a bigger pan than necessary, right?
It just, you want to get a pan that's big enough that is like, it's not, it doesn't have to be, it can be like shallow.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean that's fine.
That'll work.
That'll work. That's what we're gonna use. Looks pretty good. So we did
Grease the pan.
Yep, oil up the sides.
Some manly whisk in there. See?
So manly.
See that? Alright, I'm gonna pour it in.
Yes, please.
So once you've very strategically whisked this, like I have demonstrated, you just want to pour the mixture into your bread loaf pan, like so. You have a spatula?
Oh.
Get the fork too. Spatulas are so magical.
So magical.
They get every last drop.
Robert is like a spatula weirdo. Like, he really does love spatulas.
Well, I love spatulas.
Yeah, every time you are cooking something, do we have a little spatula? All right, so we did have the oven preheating at 350 degrees. We are now going to stick this in there for about 15 to 20 minutes.
350, 15, 20 minutes. All right, we are back. The cinnamon toast is out of the oven, and just for texture and look and all, we're gonna fry it up in a skillet for a little bit here. So we have some butter.
You don't have to use butter, but I feel like it's gonna like soak up all the flavor of the butter.
Put this thing out.
Hopefully we cooked it long enough.
Coming out of the oven. Like most keto breads, it doesn't rise really that much. That's totally normal. So, are we gonna cut it? Or are we gonna throw it?
Cut it into fourths, like half and then half again.
Half and then half again, like that?
Yeah. You're gonna make them like thinner slices, like those like little cinnamon sticks that, I don't know, I used to eat those cinnamon sticks when I was a kid.
Just throw them on there?
Yeah.
Just tearing. Boom.
Alright, so I'm just gonna let them cook on one side and I'll flip them over and we'll see all the deliciousness.
All the delish. By the way, this recipe, like all the Keto Brick recipes, are going to be on ketobrick.com, not ketosavage.com. And recipe credit goes to Joe, Keto Culinary Stuff on Instagram. He's a mastermind when it comes to brick recipes, so thank you, Joe. I'm super excited to just bite into this one here.
We've been fighting about who gets to eat the majority.
I get to eat all of it. By the way, we've used this monk fruit Lakanto in a few recipes, and people keep calling us out and saying that's largely erythritol. It is largely erythritol. It is erythritol and monk fruit extract. So, I never clarified this is erythritol and monk fruit.
By the way, we like never use sweeteners other than our videos. So, the only times we ever eat this
It's a delicacy.
is when we do a video like this. So it's not like we're eating it all the time. I think we've had this bag for months.
Yeah. You sprinkle some on there. How many forks are in here, dude? Taste test time, moment of truth. You ready?
These literally just came off the grill.
Pretty hot, pretty toasty.
You can taste it's hot.
That's pretty good.
Oh my god.
Pretty toasty, pretty tasty. Ease of creation.
I'd say a 9.
Um,
Very few ingredients. And all you have to do is mix it together and throw it in the oven.
taste. Pretty good.
I'm probably gonna have to give this a 10.
Really?
It's not like super sweet, which I like. But it has like that perfect like doughy taste, but soft and like crunchy on the outside. I really like it. Like, I like this a lot. I really do. I mean, it is so good.
Well, I haven't stopped eating it, so I obviously like it a lot too.
I don't often crave like bready type things just because I haven't had it in like almost 4 years. But this is so good.
Yeah.
Mm.
2 thumbs up for me. Thank you very much, Joe.
Yeah, thank you. This is amazing.
Y'all give it a shot.
What would you put on top of this? Honestly, I like the
Whipped
little sprinkled of monk fruit, and I don't know. We don't really suggest any syrups, so
Yeah.
I think
You could do like melted 100% chocolate. That'd be good.
That would
Melted
be good.
keto brick on top of your keto brick.
Oh my
cereal.
gosh,
That'd be pretty good.
that would be good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All
I'm
right.
gonna eat this before Robert
I'm gonna
steals
eat
it.
this before Crystal eats it. So we'll see you later.
Bye, guys.